Welcome to Widex. My name is Søren Nielsen. I'm the co-president of WSA Wholesale in the US, and I've worked for Widex just over 9 years. The first half in the global headquarters in Denmark and the second half based here in Long Island, New York. At Widex, we always start with the patient and the HCP who helps them deal with their hearing loss. At the core of everything we do, there is a truly unique hearing technology that has provided the most natural sound to patients for decades. For us, the ultimate hearing aid starts with sound so clear and natural that you forget that you're even wearing a hearing aid. Widex dares to take a different approach to technology and innovation than any other manufacturer in this space. With this approach, we have led the way and set new standards for hearing care over and over again. From the development of the first digitally programmable hearing aid with Quattro, to the first fully digital ITE hearing aid with Senso, then the first to apply an AI-driven machine learning algorithm to optimize sound in hearing aids with Widex Evoke, and finally, the creation of zero-delay digital sound processing with Moment. Each of these innovations are a result of the visionary approach to product development that does not just bring small incremental improvements, but rather represent major steps forward in the development of all hearing aids. Steps that many others have tried to copy, imitate, and develop years after Widex launched it. Today is a very special day because Widex is launching another groundbreaking, industry's first solution. I am extremely excited about sharing the news of a completely reimagined hearing care solution. The difference will be clear after you watch this video. Let's go upstairs and hear more. Hi Dana, how are you doing?
Very good, thank you.
So, let me translate. Dana is from the Midwest, and I don't mean to offend anybody, but I've come to understand when Dana says very good, others would probably say something like, I'm totally thrilled and overly ecstatic. Is that fair, Dana?
That's a fair statement. I think New Yorkers would see it that way.
So, I'm not a New Yorker myself. I've only lived here for 5 years, but I'll take that. There is a very good reason that we are in fact both very excited to be here today. This is a very special day for Widex. So thank you, Dana, for coming in to present the Widex Allure. Dana Helming is our Senior Director of Clinical Development and more knowledgeable about Widex technology than anyone else I know. She will be introducing you to what we see as the biggest step Widex or anybody has taken to improve hearing care for many, many years. So I cannot wait to get started. Over to you, Dana.
Thank you, Søren. Widex has indeed been driving industry-changing innovation for many years. This is because we think differently. And by doing so, we have changed hearing healthcare and what you should expect from a manufacturing partner. So what if we could change hearing healthcare again? What if we could provide wearers with crystal clear speech? Connect them to the things they love, and make the delivery of hearing healthcare more successful. We can, and we will. Introducing Widex Allure, an all-new innovation from Widex, an all-new platform. And I am truly excited to share this with you and introduce you to this innovation.
Life is a constant flow of sounds, overlapping and ever-changing. For those with hearing loss, it can feel overwhelming, making them want to withdraw from the world. Introducing the new Widex Allure. The difference is clear. Allure provides crystal clear speech while allowing wearers to stay fully immersed in the sounds of their natural environment. No more distorted artificial hearing aid sound. No more feeling disconnected. No more worrying about annoying whistling. Allure is designed to help wearers effortlessly balance focus and environmental awareness, delivering a hearing experience so natural it allows them to forget about their hearing loss. Help wearers rediscover the joy of every voice, every sound, everywhere life takes them. Widex Allure. The difference is clear. Widex. Sound like no other.
Welcome to the future of hearing care. Building on our history of innovation and challenging the status quo, Widex has fully reimagined the hearing care solution, delivering industry-changing innovation that is clear, intuitive, and future-ready. Natural clarity powered by the entirely new W1 chip and Allure processing for the ideal balance between clear speech and natural awareness. Success simplified with an entirely new fitting software that shifts the paradigm for hearing care with the world's first cloud-based fitting software for intuitive and successful fittings. All of that available through the confident choice of a new RIC form factor and an all-new AI-driven app that makes Allure quite simply the one to choose. The goal of almost all individuals with hearing loss is to hear better, particularly in noisy situations. They want to be connected to people and be immersed in their environment without overwhelm. This is the natural balance that those without hearing loss experience and that those with hearing loss wish they could. Despite improvements in the industry, there's still a gap. There is a need to deliver a better speech and noise experience, one in which speech is clear and wearers are immersed without effort. We call that natural clarity. Precision hearing technology is a combination of new and advanced features that deliver the ideal balance between clear speech and natural awareness with the sound quality that can only be Widex. Improving speech clarity, enhancing seamless transitions, adaptively managing feedback for all wearers. And to address the needs of specific wearers, the new Allure Pure Sound, and a dedicated streaming compressor. Every one of these features provide tangible benefits to wearers. So let me share some details about a few of these new innovations and their proven benefits. Managing noise is at the heart of why people turn to hearing aids in the first place. Yet many manufacturers rely on aggressive processing methods that, while effective at reducing noise, can rob the sound of its natural quality, negatively impacting spatial awareness and leaving users feeling disconnected from the world around them. In most real-life situations, appropriate noise reduction is all about the balance between speech and background noise. The noise management in Allure is designed to preserve the wearer's awareness of their surroundings. Our Speech Enhancer Pro takes a different approach to delivering a better speech and noise experience that keeps the wearer confident and connected. Unlike systems that can compromise awareness and sound quality, Speech Enhancer Pro strikes that ideal balance between clear speech and natural awareness. With a new 52-band input analysis, Speech Enhancer Pro achieves a more precise representation of what is noise versus what is speech, then quickly adjusts to reduce noise and boost speech before going on to conduct a full optimization of the speech intelligibility index in real time, tailored to the wearer and to their situation. If you're more of a visual learner, it looks a little bit like this. As a first step, that 52-band input analysis is based on degree of modulation, and it seeks to boost the signal and reduce the noise quickly and accurately. Then the complete 15-channel processing optimizes the speech intelligibility index for the specific wearer and the specific situation for a smooth sound experience. The end result is an ideal experience where noise is at or just below the hearing threshold of the user and speech is boosted for clarity, while avoiding the aggressive processing that can negatively impact awareness, spatial perception, and sound quality. In an external study conducted at the university in Oldenburg, Germany, We evaluated the speech and noise experience for 25 participants. They compared Allure to Moment and rated comparisons based on noise annoyance and general preference. You can see the high preference for Allure in both comparisons. Less noise annoyance, higher preference, which supports a better experience in noise related to clarity, awareness, and naturalness of sound. Now we'll take a look at the new feedback management in Widex Allure. Feedback management is critical to successful adoption of hearing technology. But in reality, feedback management systems can introduce distortion and delay. This is something that Widex finds unacceptable due to the impact that it has on sound quality, which is why we have refrained from using the typical feedback management strategies that are common in the industry today. With Allure, we have developed a unique and fully adaptive dynamic feedback controller. It's designed for unparalleled effectiveness and sound quality. This breakthrough technology stops the distraction of annoying whistling before it even begins, without compromising our high standards for sound quality and distortion-free processing. Unlike conventional systems that compromise sound quality with constant frequency shifting, Widex's adaptive frequency shifting activates when needed, as much as needed, and operates within precise frequency ranges. This means that the signature Widex sound remains clear and natural, effective feedback management, and superior sound quality. The new dynamic feedback controller offers HCPs the ability to choose a wider range of ear tips and to achieve better fittings. For the wearer, it's shown to be preferred 4-to-1 over our previous feedback management system. And again, if you're more of a visual learner, I'll explain this a little bit further. What you see here is a representation of the risk of feedback and the activation of the adaptive dynamic feedback controller. In the range in the middle, you can see that it's described as medium risk for feedback, but that's also the same risk area where there's a high risk for hearing the action of a feedback manager if it is acting too aggressively. So in that middle range is where we apply our adaptive strategy, according to a set of rules that adapt the range, the size, and the speed of that frequency shifting to stop feedback while preserving sound quality. The results of a study comparing the Allure feedback controller to the Moment feedback management system showed that 83% of comparisons were in favor of Allure. So significant preference for Allure feedback management over Moment feedback management. And further, you can see that when we look by individual or by participant in the study, 88% of participants preferred the Allure feedback canceling system over Moment. So with Allure, users can embrace every moment with complete confidence, free from feedback, and fully immersed in natural sound. We know that new wearers struggle to adjust to the sound quality of hearing aids. This can lead to returns and delayed delivery of hearing care. Widex has addressed the unique needs of wearers with mild to moderate hearing loss, especially those who are first-time wearers, through our zero delay technology introduced with Moment Pure Sound. That zero delay Pure Sound technology has been proven to have exceptional sound quality and well-documented benefits, including sound quality preference among wearers, a better neural representation of speech at the brain, and improved spatial perception over devices with the typical signal processing delays that are common in the industry today. Now, by leveraging the power of the new W1 chip, Allure Pure Sound adds advanced processing features to deliver significantly improved speech and noise performance while maintaining the proven sound quality benefits of the original Pure Sound. And with an extended fitting range, Allure Pure Sound is an even better solution for users with mild to moderate hearing loss, especially new users seeking the most natural sound quality combined with outstanding speech clarity. With the processing speed of the new W1 chip, we deliver sound that stands alone as pure, accurate, and complete, now with better speech performance. The Allure Pure Sound processing includes noise reduction, transient sound handling, and adaptive directional microphones. Adhering to the design of zero delay technology, Allure provides high processing speed without the notable delay typically associated with these type of advanced signal processing features. This combination of low processing delay and directional microphones means that Allure can provide optimal sound quality and at the same time address competing background noise. Allure Pure Sound adapts the gain faster and more smoothly while fitting steeper hearing losses more accurately. These enhancements provide an even better solution for users with mild to moderate hearing loss, particularly when they're in noise. Here you see the results of an external study evaluating speech and noise intelligibility by measuring SRT 80. As a reminder, SRT 80 is the number of words correct to understand 80% of speech. Allure was shown to improve speech intelligibility by 4.3 dB compared to Moment. That is a significant improvement on average, and we also showed an improvement for 19 out of 20 participants in the study, demonstrating it is possible to improve speech and noise while still maintaining zero delay signal processing and all the proven benefits of Pure Sound. So this is the most natural hearing experience yet from Widex. Naturally clear and precise, allowing wearers to be genuinely present and connected in their lives. Clear, seamless, transparent sound. The proven benefits of precision hearing technology.
Widex presents the new Widex Allure, powered by the W1 chip with precision hearing technology. The difference is clear. This combination of new and advanced features aims to balance crystal clear speech with accurate environmental sound and delivers natural sound quality that stands out as a clear favorite compared to other leading brands. Widex, sound like no other.
Now we're going to shift our focus to fitting software. Fitting software and its impact on outcomes and experience has been underestimated in our industry. And it's time for fitting software to take a leap forward. It's the natural evolution of software across industries to move to the cloud. And with that, I get to introduce the world's first cloud-based fitting software, Compass Cloud. At Widex, we recognize the opportunity that cloud-based fitting software brings in overcoming the limitations of locally installed software and leveraging the power of centralized computing for better outcomes, better security, better integration in your daily life. And we do that with Compass Cloud. Compass Cloud and the full digital service suite are the future for Widex. We start today with the Allure platform and with the Compass Cloud fitting software. But we have a vision for the future where we will continue to innovate and develop with a future of digital services, connecting HCPs to the tools that they use daily, making their lives easier from end to end, and capabilities that we have not even dared to dream of yet. So that is the vision for the future with Widex. But today, we start by addressing the everyday pain points that you experience as an HCP. Frequent software updates, software training as you learn to use different pieces of software, complicated user interface, sometimes an unclear process, and uncertain outcomes in some of your fittings. We flip the script on all of this. We move to always up-to-date software. Connect to Widex Compass Cloud once and never have to update again. Always the most current, always the most recent version at your fingertips. Built-in interactive tours so that you can always find the information you need to help you be successful with Widex. An intuitive interface, tools, controls, software programming options, where you expect to find them and operating the way you expect them to work. Streamlined fitting process. clear steps from start to finish that produce success. This is Compass Cloud, intuitive and intelligent for great first fits. The benefits of the world's first cloud-based fitting solution. Powerful and intelligent for great first fits. Intuitive fitting software that is streamlined for success. And future ready for continuous improvements. The limitless opportunities for success achieved with less complexity, with less uncertainty, and more time spent where it matters most, engaged with your patient, not with your software. Easing the burden for wearers and for you as the HCP with successful fittings, software that's intuitive to use, and always up to date as new innovations come. We make success more intuitive with an entirely new user interface, new fitting algorithms and rationales that calculate a more precise first fit than ever. Built-in tutorials and guides that help ease the burden of learning new software. This is completely redesigned for the future.
Widex presents Widex Compass Cloud, the world's first cloud-based fitting software. It takes fitting software entirely into the cloud, pioneering a modern era of hearing care, offering an intuitive and streamlined workflow with a simplified configuration of fitting. The system is future-ready and designed with privacy and security in mind. Great first fits are made possible by a combination of advanced algorithms with data-driven insights. Widex Compass Cloud empowers audiologists to provide cutting-edge hearing care. The difference is clear. Discover the new Widex Compass Cloud and the Widex Allure platform now. Widex, sound like no other.
And all of this is available with the full Allure solution. This is a new RIC, the first form factor on a new platform, multiple charger options, including a portable charger on the horizon, and an all-new patient app. This RIC checks all the boxes from a hardware perspective, carrying forward popular features like the wind and touch-resistant microphone covers, LED, and push button, adding new connectivity options for Widex with iPhone two-way hands-free, call control, and LE Audio direct one-way streaming for Android. Easy to bring the Allure to your patients. And the new Allure app, empowering exceptional care. An app designed for accessibility, making app use possible for all wearers who want to personalize their experience in real time. The new Allure app provides seamless onboarding, easy customization, and great accessibility features, making it accessible for more wearers. You can see the difference is clear with the Allure. Clear, intuitive, future-ready. Industry-changing innovation, providing natural clarity, success simplified, and a confident choice. Clarity in noise, success in fitting, confidence in solution. It's the Allure.
Widex presents Widex Allure RIC RD, the first hearing aid on our new Allure platform. Powered by the W1 chip with precision hearing technology, Allure delivers a new level of precise sound processing and seamless sound quality that mirrors the natural auditory system. It's designed to provide seamless transitions between soundscapes, crystal clear speech, and an immersive experience across situations. Widex Allure delivers every voice and sound with greater balance, vibrancy, and authenticity than ever before. The difference is clear. Discover the new Widex Allure hearing aid and the Allure platform now. Widex, sound like no other.
Thank you very much for the presentation, Dana. I hope the difference is becoming clear to all of you by now, and you're excited to try Widex Allure, a completely reimagined hearing care solution. I'm standing here in front of our US production facility. We have a highly dedicated and experienced team of Widex operations employees at this very site who serves all of our US customers with US-based custom hearing aid modeling and production repairs and all our logistical services. On the other side of the windows in front of me sits our highly trained and responsive customer service team who are ready to help all of our customers. First, with the setup of the world's first cloud-based fitting solution, and secondly, to take your orders and provide any support you may need. Dana and I and the whole Widex team are very excited to bring Widex Allure to all of you. On the screen, you see our customer service number if you're not already in contact with a Widex representative. Please call this number and we will be happy to assist you with more information and getting started with Widex Allure, providing clarity, confidence, and success to you and your patients. Thank you very much for joining us today.